Here I've got MAXCOM Smart MS457 Strong, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then scroll down, locate and pick security icon, and now go down a bit where you will notice unknown sources. So if you truly want to allow installation of apps from unknown sources, simply click on this switcher. Just come along with the notification that all the risk is on you, click on OK if you still want to do it, and that's it. You've just allowed unknown sources so you can install apps from some other sources than your home store. So that is all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.